guys, Sofia on Earth here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the intro video is kind of weird. I'm recording it from my computer in my room. As you can see, here's a little collage I did of myself. I don't think I ever shared this with you guys, but that's me. Anyways, I totally forgot to film an intro video at the store today. But anyways, in today's video, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul of the week of April 3rd. Now these deals are good until April 9th, so I'm just gonna stop talking and get right into these CVS deals of the week. Alright, so you guys know I always like to pick up some cheap Tide. So this week they are $12.99, buy two, get a $5 extra buck. I'm going to use these $3 coupons for Tide, and I also have an 8 off of 40 purchase CRT that I will be using in this scenario. Alright, you guys know what time it is. It is time for more free Hallmark cards. Yes, I have so many cards. Alright, so these are actually on promotion this week for spend 10, get a $2 extra buck. For my first scenario, I'm going to pick up 8 of these Easter cards priced at 99 cents each. And I'm also going to pick up a $1.99, let's see, I think tissue paper to also pair in. I'm going to use 2 4 off of 8 Hallmark CRTs, leaving me to pay $1.91, getting back a $2 extra buck, making it free and a small 9-cent moneymaker. And for some other accounts, I have received a 2 off of 2 Hallmark CRT, so I'm also going to go ahead and grab that. So the next deal is on these Icy Hot. So this is $8.69. I got a $1 printable from their website. I have a $3 CRT that I'm going to use. I'm going to pay $4.69, getting back $2 from my bottom, making it just $2.69 for this Icy Hot gel, which I actually think is a really good deal for Icy Hot. And as I was walking through, I found these coupons, so of course I took 2. So Huggies are buy one get one 50% off. Spend $30, get a $10 extra buck. We have these $2.50 coupons that we just got today, and I also have expired ones from last week. So you guys, I'm gonna pick up a total of 5. Now that is like way more than the spend 30, so this is gonna total me $55.96. Now this is because I have a 10 off of 50 CRT that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use 5 of those 250 coupons. Now my store lets me use more than 4 coupons, so that is definitely up to your store. This is gonna leave me to pay $33.46, getting back a $10 extra for spending 20, $5 back from my Ibotta, $1 for each Huggy, and then $15 back from Fetch Rewards for spending $50 on select products. So it should just make all 5 of these Huggies $3.46, or just 69 cents a pack. Alright, so the next deal is on Crest. They are buy 3 get a $4 extra buck. We're going to max out this deal and grab 6, totaling me $23.94. I'm going to use a 5 off of 20 Crest CRT, a 6 off of 4 digital coupon, and I'm going to use 2 $3 Crest coupons that we got from this month's P&G. So I'm going to go ahead and pay it $6.94, getting back an $8 extra buck, making these completely free and a $1.06 moneymaker. Now just wait, you guys, because I actually got more money from Ibotta for some rebates that it's had. I also do want to mention part of this deal, it's not just the Crest toothpaste. You can also go ahead and pick up right here these $3.99 oral brushes, but for me, Crest toothpaste sells more, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick out Crest. And here we are with more free oral care. So select Colgate is $3.99 each. When you buy 2, you're going to get a $4 extra buck. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that will glitch with this $1 paper coupon. So that leaves you to pay $3.98, getting back a $4 extra buck, making it free. So you can go ahead and choose what you want. I'm going to go ahead and basically choose this whole container of Colgate 2-in-1s. Alright, so we have a digital glitch with the buy one get one free Clairol. They are buy 2 get a $4 extra buck. Now this coupon will glitch with the digital coupon, taking only $7.99 off. So mine are priced at $8.99, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2. With both of those coupons coming off, I should just pay $2, getting back a $4 extra buck, making 2 boxes completely free and a $2 moneymaker. Alright, so the next thing I wanted to go ahead and pick up is on the Dial hand soap. So these are $2.59 each. Now I had a coupon for $2.50 off of 1 and a 2 off of 2 Dial CRT. So I'm just going to pay $1.18 for 2 bottles. Alright, so the next deal is on this apple juice. So one of my accounts got a $3 off of any, like, I don't know how to say it. It's like gold emblem or whatever, like the CVS brand stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and get this apple juice. Always make sure to check your expiration dates. That's what I did. It's just going to make it 79 cents. You can go ahead and grab any other drink for free, but I like apple juice. So I'm getting some apple juice for just 79 cents. Alright, so the next sale is on these Skintimate razors. I'm going to pick up 3, totaling me $17.97. I received a 4 off of 10 Skintimate CRT, a $2 off of any Skintimate razor CRT, and I'm using a $3 digital coupon. I'm going to pay $8.97, but I'm going to get back that $5 extra buck for spending $15 on the razors, making it just $3.97 for all 3 razors, which is actually a pretty good deal. I mean, I get free razors all the time, but I have so many free products that we are going to score in Moneymakers today. So let's go ahead and check out those receipts. Alright, so for the first receipt, I picked up 2 Colgates, 2 Hallmark 99-cent cards, a Hallmark tissue paper for $1.99, and then the Clairol hair care. So as you can see here, we have my manufacturer coupon for the buy one get one free Clairol, then we have my $1 Colgate, and then we have those amazing glitches and my Hallmark CRTs come off. So that worked off like a perfect charm. I paid at $6.98, including the extra care bucks I rolled to lower my out of pocket, getting back a total of $8 in extra care bucks, 4 for the Colgate and 4 for the Clairol, making this transaction completely free and a $1.02 moneymaker. Alright, so this is a small transaction, but I did the Clairol on one transaction, so you guys can see. Picked up 2 at $8.99, had that paper coupon and digital glitch. I paid $2 out of my own pocket, rolling 23 cents in extra care bucks. So my subtotal was $2, getting back a $4 extra buck, making it free and a $2 moneymaker. Actually, a $2.20 moneymaker. I got back 20 cents for my bota, 10 cents for any hair color, and 10 cents any receipt. Alright, so for this transaction, I picked up 2 of the Tides, I picked up 2 Colgates, 2 of the Clairol, and then the apple juice. So as for coupons, I have my $1 Colgate, my $3 Tides, and then my Clairol, $7.99. Then we have that amazing $7.99 glitch with the Clairol and our Colgate glitch. Then I have an 8 off of 40 CRT I went ahead and used. And then we have that $3 CVS health brand for the apple juice. Now for this transaction, I used a total of, I think, around $15 and something cents in extra care bucks, but I paid a total of $19.02 out of my own pocket, getting back a total of $13 in extra care bucks, 5 for the gain, or 5 for the Tide, 4 for the Colgate, and 4 for the Clairol. So it makes this small transaction just $6.02. Alright, so for this transaction, I picked up 6 Crest toothpaste, 2 Colgates, I picked up around 8 Hallmark CRTs, 8 Hallmark 99-cent cards, a $1.99 Hallmark tissue paper, my 2 Clairol hair colors. I picked a 5-pack of gum, the 5 gum, $4.79. I wanted to use an extra care buck, my $10 one, and then I picked up the Icy Hot in this transaction. As you can see, for coupons, my Clairol came off, my $1 for the Colgate came off, my $3 for the Crest, and then my $1 for the Icy Hot. Then we have that Clairol and Colgate glitch with the 6 off of 4 for the Crest, my 5 off of 20 Crest CRT, my 4 off of 8 Hallmark CRTs, and my $3 Icy Hot coupons. I rolled in about $20 in extra care bucks, and I had a small subtotal of about $4.31. So for this transaction, I paid $24.31 out of my own pocket, getting back $18 in extra care bucks, 2 for spending 10 on Hallmark, 8 for the Crest, 4 for the Clairol, and 4 for the Colgate. Then I submitted my receipt, you guys, into Ibotta for a total of $3 back. Now I'm actually really excited about how this happened in Ibotta. I got a total of 4 separate offers for a total of $3. I'm gonna put that right up on the screen for you guys in just a second. I got back 25 cents for any brand toothpaste, or a Crest toothpaste, and then I got back the $2 for the Icy Hot, and then I got back another 25 cents for another Crest toothpaste, and then I got an additional 50 cents for another Crest for buying 3. So it makes this transaction just $3.31. Hi, it's me again. Okay, so as weird as this sounds, I don't have the receipt for this transaction. So after I submit my receipts into Ibotta and coin out and all that stuff, I throw them out. I'm organized, okay? I try to be really organized. So I threw it out and I forgot to take a picture of this receipt, and I wanted to go get it, and I went in the trash. My mom took the trash out, so I couldn't get this receipt. This is the first time this has ever happened, but I will have a breakdown for all of the deals that I mentioned in the video, of course. But for this transaction, I wrote it down on my notes because that's how I do my videos. But for this transaction, you guys, I had the Crest toothpaste, I had the Colgate on this transaction, and I had my Skintimate on this transaction. So after all of my coupons, I paid $19.89, getting back a $17 extra buck, 8 for Crest, 4 for Colgate, 5 for Skintimate, and then I got 75 cents back into Ibotta. I'm gonna pop that up right over here, and it made the final cost just $2.14. Now the CRTs for this one was a 4 off of 10 Skintimate CRT, a $2 Skintimate shave CRT, and a $3 Skintimate digital manufacturer coupon that we got today. And then I used a 5 off of 20 Crest CRT. I used two $3 Crest coupons from the P&G, and then I used that 6 off of 4 Crest digital, and then the $1 Colgate paper coupon that glitched with the $3 off of 2 digital coupon. So that's that transaction. Hopefully you listen and actually care about this transaction. Totally understand if you don't, but let's get on to the last transaction, my favorite, the Huggies. Okay, so like I said, this transaction is the 2 Colgates. We have the 5 Huggies, and I have 2 more of the 99-cent Hallmark cards, and then I have my Clairol, and I do have my Dial soap. So as of manufacturer coupons, I have my $7.99 for the Clairol, my $1 for the Colgate, and all those $2.50 coupons are for the Huggies. No problem with those. Then we had my Clairol and Colgate digital glitch. Then there is that 10 off of 50 CVS coupon, and then I had a 5 of 30 baby care CRT, so I'm actually like so excited that came off. I wasn't expecting that, so I think that's why this deal actually got better, because I had it on my card, but I was not expecting the 5 off of 20 or 5 off of 30 to come off. I definitely, I think it's because I got the Dio and the Claro and everything last minute, so it just added up and it just reached over that 10 of 50, so I'm so excited about this. Then we have my Dio CRTs, and we have my 2 off of 2 Hallmark CRTs. Then for this transaction, I did pay a bigger out of pocket because I didn't have many extra care books on this account, but I rolled 22 in this transaction. Never mind, bad at math. I rolled $20.22 in this transaction, but then I had a subtotal of $14.89. So the total for this transaction that I paid out of my own pocket is $35.11. Now, as you can see here on the side, I got back a total of $18 in extra care bucks, 10 for spending 30 on the Huggies, 4 for the 2 Claro, and 4 for the Colgate. Now, into Ibotta, I submitted that receipt for $5.10 back. I got $5 for the Huggies and 10 cents back any brand hair color. Then I submitted my receipt into Fetch Rewards. I did correct my receipt, so I'm hopefully waiting for that review, because when I do this, it usually works, but I should be getting $15 back from there for spending $50 on select items, which include Huggies. So if I get that $15 back, which I know I will not have a problem with that, it's going to make this transaction completely free, you guys, at a $2.90 moneymaker, a $2.99 moneymaker. But I will definitely keep you guys updated on that community tab if I get those 15,000 points. I know I will. I never had a problem with that. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. But this transaction was like a $3 moneymaker for Huggies, which is insane, you guys. And let's just get into like final numbers, you guys. So I submitted my receipt into CoinOut, all of them, for an additional 14 cents, and then into Inbox Dollars for an additional 6 cents. So that is 20 cents. And hey, 20 cents is 20 cents. Then you guys, all of these P&G products, I've told you guys, P&G, submit those receipts. You get 50 points per product, up to 250 per receipt, and when you get 750 points, you can redeem for a $5 gift card. Well, I went ahead and did that today, finally reached 750 points again, and I got a $5 Dunkin' gift card. So that was amazing. If you guys don't know how to use P&G, I have a video on my channel on how to use P&G, how to use P&G rewards, and just get back gift cards, print coupons, and all that stuff. It's an amazing website, and it was awesome, you guys. So after these final costs, you guys, and that $15 rebate from Fetch, which we are hopefully getting, it ends up making everything you see here today a final cost of just 6 cents. But if I get like those 15,000 points, it's gonna be 6 cents. But from Fetch Rewards, I think I'm gonna get a little bit more than 15 cents or $15. I mean, so with those 6 cents, call it free. This haul was basically free, you guys. After those fetch points, if I get those fetch points, it's going to be completely free, you guys. I will keep you updated on the community tab, so make sure to keep a lookout on there. But yeah, in the end, this haul ended up being completely free, you guys. So I'm actually really, really excited. In my opinion, CVS was slow this week, and I'm just looking forward to more deals next week. And yeah, that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.